If your Samsung phone has suddenly this green screen, your Android phone has suddenly this green screen, in that case what you need to do, what will you do if your Android phone has green screen? No matter what the situation is, you can follow me my channel to fix the green screen on your Android phone. By understanding the cause of problem, you may able to fix it yourself. It is mainly divided into two sections: software and hardware. Maybe there is a battery problem. Rapid battery consumption usually causes the phone turn green. Storage space: if there is insufficient storage space, apps and systems may not able to create temporary files, which can also cause the Android phone screen turning into green. Third party applications you have downloaded may not be compatible with your Android devices. This can also cause the Android phone turning green. Software problems. Temporary failures in the softwares are also one of the main causes for the Android phone green screen problem. There may be a hardware issue, damaged screen or motherboard can also lead to this problem. So this time in this video we will see how to fix Android phone screen green problem. Okay, I am going to tell you 6-7 methods you have to try one by one to get rid of this problem. The first thing is, if your phone is like this, just put the charger and leave your phone for 2 and 3 hours. See what happen. Okay, one thing also you can try, that leave that phone like that, drain the battery. It will take 1 day, and after that put your phone into the charger for 2 hours. Maybe you can get your phone healthier, but if you are not getting it, then the second option is force restart your Android device. How? Just this power on button and minus button, just press both keys simultaneously, okay, until something happens on your screen. Your screen may get black, and after that this will go. At the same time, press power and on and plus key. Then leave that, your phone may turn on healthier. When your phone starts completely, just clean up the storage space. Go to the setting, okay, setting, go to the battery and storage, device care, and here you will find storage. Check and clean your phone. Okay, so this was the third one. And if your phone is still hanged on that green screen, then restart the phone into the safe mode. How? Just press power on and negative button, volume minus key for some time, and then power off button, long press it, safe mode, tap it and restart your phone into the safe mode. And after in safe mode, third party applications will be disabled. If your phone is working fine in safe mode, just look out for the third party applications which you have downloaded recently and uninstall and delete them. Your phone must be fine. Okay, if safe mode is also not working, then in that case I will suggest you to factory reset your phone. How? uh, if your phone is getting on and you are getting this screen, go to the settings, 1 minute, go to the settings and here search for reset, and then reset, and here you will find reset again, then here factory data reset. But before doing that you have to be very careful, because it will delete all the data, Google account. It I will suggest factory reset only when you have all the data backup and you know how to load the data. So in that case you can go go for it. If you are not getting this screen, then you have to press power on and plus keys simultaneously for some time. Okay, let's see what is happening. The phone will go switch off. Again, see what happened. You have to press power on and minus keys first, and then the phone will restart. And while it is restarting, then you have to just switch on the power on and plus. And then you will get that screen. This screen will come. I will again tell you, first press power on and minus key for some time. When your phone goes into the switched off mode, then while rebooting press power on and plus key simultaneously, then you will get this screen. And from here with volume minus key you can come here, wipe data. With power on, just wipe all the data, and then when you reboot, after doing that, from here you will find your problem get solved. So this is what I wanted to tell. If after doing all the things you are still getting the green screen, then please go to the authorized repair center. That's all. Thank you very much.